Hey sneaker fan, welcome back to HighFoot review. Today we are unboxing and review the New Balance 1960 Sea Salt White. Stay with us, we check out all the detail of this sneaker. And you are looking to grab some pair, you need to check out obosneaker.com, a great website for replica like Air Jordans, Gucci, Dior, and many more sneaker. And best part is the exclusive discount code are waiting for you. Link in my description box. Go and check it out. Let's start the unboxing of this pair with some great music.